Hello students, here is a module for class 10th, chapter 1, life processes in continuation, science, biology. And today's topic for you is excretion. Here we are completing most portion of the chapter 1, and excretion is the last topic in this chapter. My dear students, I am sure whatever the content I had taught to you is clear to you all, and I am successful in dictating the content given in different modules. And I am sure that you also had done well in studies, and you keep on revising the modules again and again. Beta, if any doubt you are having, just pen down. When we are in touch, your problem will be resolved. So today there is a module. Let's start with the fresh, and topic is excretion. In last module we learned transportation, in which we know that substances get transferred from one part of the such system. Earlier we learned the process of nutrition and respiration, जिसमें हमने पढ़ा कि न्यूट्रिशन में हम फूड अपनी बॉडी में ले जाते हैं, डाइजेस्ट करते हैं, जिससे कि हमें एनर्जी मिले। इसलिए हम अपने फूड को ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में सेल्स के बेसिस पे ऑक्सीडाइज कर एनर्जी रिलीज करते हैं, और वो एनर्जी हम अपने मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। बेटा, इस काम को करने में या सेल में बहुत से सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स को वर्क परफॉर्म करने के बाद सेल के लेवल पर या ऑर्गन लेवल या ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल पर बहुत सा ऐसा वेस्ट जनरेट होता है जो बॉडी अपने साथ नहीं रखना चाहती। अगर ये वेस्ट बॉडी में रहा तो ये बॉडी के लिए हार्मफुल होगा। इसलिए ये बॉडी के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये समय समय पर इन वेस्ट को बॉडी से बाहर रिमूव कर दे, और उस वेस्ट को रिमूव करने के लिए जो हमारी बॉडी में सिस्टम होता है वही कहलाता है एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम, and the process involved is called excretion. Dear students, we know of chemical activities within this cell not only produce the useful growth products and energy, but also produce certain harmful waste products. These harmful chemicals must be eliminated out from the body. For this purpose, our body has developed an advanced system which can eliminate out these toxic and harmful waste out from the body. This system is called excretory system. So what is excretion? Excretion is the process of removing out harmful metabolic waste from the body. If someone asks you what is the function of excretion बेटा, तो excretion का function waste को remove करना भी है, साथ के साथ हमारी body जो है excretory system वो water और ions का balance भी maintain करती है इस system में, which we call as osmoregulation. Different organisms use varied strategies to do this. Many unicellular organisms remove these waste by simple diffusion because they are having a simple body organization from their environment to the surrounding water or the place where they are. As we have seen in other processes, animals are complex and simplest both, whereas plants both varied from unicellular to multicellular. So multicellular one are having the specialized organ for such functions. So अगर हम अपनी बात करें तो हमारे पास भी एक ऐसा ही सिस्टम है, सिर्फ ऑर्गन ही नहीं बल्कि सिस्टम है जो कि एक्सक्रीशन से कंसर्न रखता है और वो बनाता है हमारा एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. नाउ क्या वेस्ट हम ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं? ऑन दैट बेसिस एनिमल्स आर क्लासिफाइड on the basis of the nature of the waste product generated. और उस बेसिस पे उन्हें हम अलग अलग नाम भी देते हैं, जैसे कि हम उन्हें कह सकते हैं अमोनोटेलिक, यूरियोटेलिक और यूरिकोटेलिक. If the ammonia, such as amoeba, fish and aquatic animals do, if the waste is urea, examples mammals waste, and if the waste is uric acid, such as the waste of bird, so named so. हमारा वेस्ट क्या है? हमारा वेस्ट basically is a urea. We are ureotelic animals. And the organ which is associated with the removal of nitrogenous waste is in our body kidney. In our body kidney. Kidney is the organ which is associated with such process. किडनी के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो किडनी जो है ये हमारे बॉडी में 170 ग्राम 125 to 170 ग्राम वेट की होती है. 10 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 5 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 3 सेंटीमीटर मेजरमेंट में. एंड दिस इज बेसिकली इन ह्यूमन बीइंग अ bean shaped structure, and it is located in the abdominal cavity on dorsal side. The functional unit of kidney are nephrons. So जो किडनी है वो हमारी फिल्ट्रेशन का ब्लड को फिल्टर करती है, उनसे हार्मफुल अनवांटेड नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट को रिमूव कराती है, and along with it also maintain the level of water and salt in our body, that is blood, body fluid, that is blood. If we look over the diagram of the excretory system of human beings, so it includes a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder and a urethra. किडनी जो कि एब्डोमिनल कैविटी में लोकेट है, ये पेयर में है, एक किडनी एक बैकबोन की तरफ और दूसरी बैकबोन की दूसरी तरफ. यूरेटर्स का काम है यूरिन को, किडनी में बने हुए यूरिन को ड्रेन कर यूरिनी ब्लैडर में पहुंचाना. तो दीज आर द पेयर्ड ट्यूब, द यूरिन फॉर्म्ड to drain out in urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores the urine until it is not released by the body, and urethra are the opening which help in releasing the urine. Now, how is it produced? The purpose of making urine is to filter out waste product from the blood. As we know that carbon dioxide is removed from the blood in the lungs, nitrogenous waste also such as urea, uric acid are removed from blood in the kidney. It is then no surprise that the basic filtration unit in the kidney are as like in lungs, those who are having clusters of very fine thin walled blood capillaries, जो कैपिलरीज हैं किडनी से associated with a cup-shaped end to the tubes that collects the filtered urine. Each kidney has a large number of these filtration units, and the filtration units are called nephron, which are packed. If we look over the structure of nephron, that nephron is the form of a long coiled tube. The diameter of the tube is variable in different portions, जैसे आप देख रहे हैं डायग्राम में कि इसके कई हिस्से हैं. The one part is the Malpighian body that includes the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, and next part are the renal tubules that includes PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, DCT, distal convoluted tubules, and loop of Henle's. A nephron shows the following part. Number 1 is the Bowman's capsule. So one end of the nephronic tubes become a cup-like structure which forms the Bowman's capsules, which contains a bunch of blood capillaries which forms the glomerulus part of Malpighian body. If we talk about the convoluted tubules, मुड़े हुए ट्यूब्स की तरह स्ट्रक्चरों की बात करें तो the tubular part of the nephron is coiled and it is called convoluted tubules, which are further classified as proximal and distal. The main functions of convoluted tubule is the selective reabsorption of substances and secretion of unfiltered waste. The part, U-shaped part or hairpin-like part that connects the PCT with DCT is Henle's loop. Nephronic tubules has a long turn. It's called Henle's loop. It has a two limbs, descending and ascending. Now, loop of Henle's open into a duct called collecting duct. It is a large duct that receives the tubular filtrate, that is the urine, from DCT part of many nephrons. Means collecting duct is common, or it provides the space for many DCTs to attach or associate with it. So many collecting ducts finally drain the urine into the pelvis portion of kidney. And likewise, the waste generated, that is the urine, from kidney to the ureter, and from ureter to the urinary bladder, and from urinary bladder the urine, which is the waste, is removed out from the body when it produces the urge for the transfer. So I'm sure the structure of your the nephron and excretory system is clear to you all. Next slide, we will continue the process of excretion. Thank you.